Hello everyone, welcome back to the third part of Excel library. So in the previous two videos we learned that how to install the Laravel Excel library, and then we fixed the problem how to skip the first line in the Excel library. So if you don't know how to do this, I will add the link in the description of Stack Overflow, so you can check it from the Stack Overflow. Okay, and you can watch my previous video where I explained that how to do this. Okay, so now the time is to validate our Excel files, right? So let's go to our controller, and here I need to apply the server side validation. So I'm not going to create new request. Why? Because I'm saving your time. Okay, so I'm doing this in the controller. So this not this, it's a request, and then I'm going to make this through validate, and then here I'm going to make this file because we are receiving this file from this name file, right? File, and then this file would be required, right? And then what are the others? Here we need to define mimes, and then you need to define the extensions, right? XLX or XLSX, XLSX, okay, and then other extensions you can check that from the Stack Overflow. Let me open the Stack Overflow. It's XLXX. So I'm doing this I'm calling it in a very wrong way. So let me open the CSV, and here you need to add the XLS. Okay, save this one and add a semicolon here, and then we need to this will apply on this. So let me check that how we can handle, how we can show the message to user that this is the message, right? So here search Laravel any error. Okay, click on this, go to the documentation, and let me find it from the documentation. Okay, it's let me find it. Okay, it's there, right? You need to copy this blade directive and go here, and before your form, so you need to implement it here, right? So let me identify it. So save this one, go here, and let me give it a refresh, and I'm going to upload it without the file. Click on upload, and yes, it says the file field is required. So let's choose the wrong file. So I'm going to choose this notepad file. So click on this upload, and yes, it says that your type would be this XLS, CSV, XLX, which we define them here, right? So it's exactly validating them. So let me upload the XLSX, so this will be accepted, right? So click on this upload, and yes, it's uploaded, right? So it means that we are successfully able to validate our Excel file. So what is the next step? Okay, let me check that we uploaded them into the by validating their files, and now the time is to, in the next video we are going to cover that how we can create our larger file in smaller chunks. Like if we have 1 million record in our files, so how we can upload this because server time outs. So how we can divide them into the chunks and stuff like that. So I will meet you in the next one. So hopefully you understood the tutorial, and if you have any question, ask in the comment box, and I will meet you in the next videos. So keep in touch, subscribe the YouTube channel, and bye bye.